Hi everybody, it's Jill with Prairie Gardens. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant a fall planter. I will be demonstrating and focusing on our lemon coral sedum, which is the 2019 Proven Winners Annual of the Year. That color is gorgeous. Wait until I get it done. So what we're going to do now is start with our thriller. And I've chosen, I think he's a Coral Prince millet. Pretty big guy here. He's gorgeous. Gonna get him turned around to where he looks just right. Get my hole dug. Alrighty. And then for a filler, this is our black pearl ornamental peppers, and the color on them are absolutely gorgeous, just beautiful. So I'll get him out of the pot. Put him over here. Might have too much soil in here. We'll see. There you go. And now our sedum. Isn't that color just gorgeous? And it'll go with just about everything. And there's no rules except keep all your light items, sun lovers together, shade lovers together, and water requirements. Other than that, whatever strikes your fancy, there's no wrong way to make your planter. Next, these are the Cinnamon Curls Heuchera. I thought this color would bring out the burgundy and the millet, and this is, when the sun hits these, oh my goodness, that's absolutely beautiful. Get this guy in there. There's so many options. It's like, where do you start and where do you stop? And this is our Rudbeckia. This is Toto Gold, which is a nice compact Rudbeckia. Not too tall to where he bends and breaks, and get him in here. Isn't that starting to look gorgeous? And just for a little more pop of color, this is just called it's an ornamental pepper, and I believe it was called Calico because of the different colors. So I think I'm going to put him right here next to the sedum. Look at that red and that chartreuse together. That is gorgeous. So there's that. And then I left this empty to show you can add other things. I was originally going to put 2 Rudbeckias in there, which would be fine, but I wanted to demonstrate a few others, like the cabbage would be really pretty, and the kale. I love that. That is gorgeous. And of course these will get bigger and show more color, and this one is a peacock red. That would be gorgeous as well. Then we have celosia, which you could actually use that as your in the center. That is gorgeous. Put him back in there. Also, this is our toffee twist. Nope, this one's the Bronco Sage grass, which would look gorgeous in there as well. Give you a lot of texture in there. And of course, mums are always a good choice. You could put those like right in the middle. This pot's a little big, but that's okay. But that's another idea. And then we have our coleus. We got the burgundy theme going on. That's really nice, real nice. And then you can always dress it up with your pumpkin. I have some gourds over here. It's a little pumpkin. So there's all kinds of ideas, and like I say, there's no wrong way to do it. It's yours. Make it yours. Do what you want. Just come on in. Our greenhouses are full of all kinds of fall favorites. So come on in, look for a purple shirt. We'll be glad to help you.